How to earn money from Amazon. 1. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money in 2021 on Amazon is through private label sales through Fulfillment by Amazon. Private label is the process of creating a pre-existing product or service with a brand name and logo. This usually involves putting your branding on it and selling it to consumers. Fulfilled orders are Amazon's ability to deliver your products in less than 2 days. This is how e-commerce businesses can make money from the sales on Amazon. Use Jungle Scout to estimate the sales of your product once it's sold on Amazon. You can easily source and manufacture all of your products with the help of various platforms. Then, after creating and selling your products on Amazon, you can start earning from it. 2. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a great way to publish your own book on Amazon. You can do it through the Amazon App Store. You can also print actual copies of your book through Amazon's Create Space. This is a great option if you want to get started but usually need to work very heavily to be successful. It has been estimated that some writers make around $40,000 a month. This amount is typically higher for prolific writers who tend to write at a fast pace and gain notice. How can I make money on Amazon using KDP? Tim Ferriss is the man who taught me this method. 3. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. You can sell bulk quantities of products through Amazon's FBA platform. This allows you to sell products that are already made and marketed by other companies. This is a more competitive marketplace than the private label market. In most cases, it can be a race to the bottom to lower prices. 4. Deliver goods for Amazon. Through Amazon's Flex program, you can start making money online. Just answer a few simple questions and download their app. How much money can I make as a Flex driver on Amazon? According to the company's homepage, drivers make around $18 to $25 per hour, and the shifts typically last for several hours. 5. Become a blogger. Ever wanted to start a lifestyle blog or publish videos or articles? Send your friends the link to Amazon, and if they buy it, you get paid a commission. This is a great way to make money on social media. How much money can I make as an Amazon affiliate? This depends on the program's returns. While the commission percentage isn't high, the conversion rate and volume you get from sharing those links make up for it. 6. Flipstore bought products with retail arbitrage. How much money can I make in retail arbitrage on Amazon? Usually, it takes me around $300 to $2,000 a month. Due to the nature of retail arbitrage, it is very difficult to scale. Most of the time, it can be extremely frustrating for retail arbitrage sellers.